Welcome back to the WatchGecko YouTube channel, and today is a strap showcase on the Tudor Black Bay GMT. If you've been watching the channel for a while now, you'll know we appreciate the work Tudor do to create well-made, modern-day tool watches with a subtle nod to their history. The Black Bay lineup saw an addition in 2018 in the form of a GMT that further cemented Tudor's strong position in the value proposition category for sub £3,000. A metal bracelet, a fabric NATO, and a leather strap are all strap choices to pick from with the GMT. However, as we know very well, strap choices don't end there. The 22mm lug width means plenty of our range will look great on the GMT. Let's look at a few options to transform and upgrade your Black Bay GMT. Now, we know NATOs aren't for everyone, but when a combo is this good, we can't help but include it. We currently have 13 colour options available for the Marine Nationale, and this one combines a subtle blue with a rich red. The reason this combo works so well with the Black Bay GMT is because the red and the blue on the watch match the toned down colours of the strap. Any brighter and the strap would look out of place and quite clumsy on the watch. The Highley leather strap is one we always seem to default to when suggesting straps for the Tudor watches, due to that slight thickness advance over other watches. However, I think the Derain leather is equally as great. Here, the dark brown once again matches the subtlety of the red and blue, and the incredibly soft suede lining makes it perfect for a daily wear. This next strap takes inspiration from Tudor's big brother Rolex. The same year Tudor announced the GMT, Rolex released the Pepsi GMT Master 2 on a Jubilee bracelet. Hence why here we have gone for the Warrington metal bracelet to pay respect to that look. We've stuck with the straight metal ends here on the strap, which some of you may not be crazy about. However, the look plays into the whole vintage vibe of the GMT. Finally, we have a very practical rubber strap, but with the appeal and a style of a classic croc. Although this isn't a look you wouldn't think would work, once you see it, it does make sense. The white stitching option will tie the whole watch and strap together, picking up on the loom and the silver details on the dial. And there you have it, 4 different straps to give the Tudor Black Bay GMT 4 clearly different looks. Of course, we have plenty more straps available on the website, so as always don't forget to click the link in the description below to see the full range. Our online magazine Black Bay GMT Strap Showcase will be live in a few weeks as well, so keep your eyes peeled for even more straps. So as usual, if you want to see more of our content, our previous video will be on the left, and if you want to find out more about this Tudor Black Bay GMT, our full review will be on the right. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be notified for our next upload, and I'll see you in the next video.